it's already almost 5:30. I just had my coffee and a brownie, but I'm going to eat rice. I'm going to cook this one, sardines 555. Amazing. This will be looking good if you add some green color. Yeah, any green vegetable. The time now is 15 minutes to 6 o'clock, and we'll be watching the news later on. Outside is very windy. Yeah, it's coming inside and it feels so good. When I wake up this morning, I was about to make a coffee, but when I switch it on, it's not working. I tried this one on that side, but still not working. Yeah, so I tried it there and it works. Yeah, so I boiled my water this morning in there, and then I checked the main switch, and it's actually the main switch. Maybe there is a short circuit last night. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now at 2 o'clock when I finish. Look at this caravan, beautiful, big. And yeah, 2 o'clock when I signed out, and it started at 6 o'clock in the morning. Very tiring today because we cleaned the hood of the exhaust. I also cleaned the pizza fridge. Yeah, and also during the breakfast service, I also cleaned the floor of the cold room. Very windy today, as you can see. Everything is moving, and I am very hungry. I am tempted to go to the Chinese restaurant and eat something, maybe fried rice. I don't know. Yeah, I'm really tempted because there's no food in the house. I still need to cook when I get. Oh yeah, oh, I have sardines in the house. Oh yeah, I go home, I will eat that sardines first, but I still need to wait for the rice to be cooked. Okay, I'll just go to the Chinese restaurant. Yeah, we are now here in the town center, and I usually walk when I get here, because if I walk, it will be for safety of everyone, also not to annoy anyone. We're going to that Chinese restaurant. We are going to eat some maybe fried rice. Yeah, the same like as usual. Oh, just now I realized that I don't have cash. Because I don't have cash, we're going to buy fried rice in here in the base patisserie. That restaurant actually don't have any more fried rice. That is why I am going to get some cash in here, and I will go to the Chinese restaurant. Okay, I got this $50. I actually took $300 so that next time I will not need to get $250 for the house rent. Good afternoon. Just now I realized that I didn't able to show you this food I just finished. Yeah, because I was very hungry and tired, I forgot to vlog it. Yeah, I'm very satisfied, and when I get home I will have my cup of coffee. Okay, I'm very satisfied with that meal. Oh, just now I noticed that this is actually a chili. Here, green chili. I need to go back to the Chinese restaurant because I lost the dead cut of this camera. That's why you can hear the sound is very noisy. Yeah, I lost the dead cut. Oh, I already lost the dead cut. It's not in the restaurant. Also, it's not here. Okay, I lost it already. I give up. Yeah, the dead cut of the camera is gone already. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. 2 o'clock when I sign out. And actually 2:05. Yeah, we don't sign out at exact on exact time. Always at least 5 minutes. Yeah, and it's a little bit raining. There is a sprinkler of water, but there are some people in the beach. You can see that umbrella. Yeah, because a while ago it was sunny. Yeah, during my break time it was sunny, and then now it's fully covered with clouds. And there are some people in here, and this is a traveler. Yeah, they are the two. They are traveler. Nice. There are many cars in here, and we are not going to do chin-up, pull-ups because I am lazy. Got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Yesterday I lost my microphone. Not the microphone, but the dead cut for this camera. Yeah, so basically that is the foam and you know, to control the noise, the wind noise. And yeah, I tried to go back. I tried to check it back from the shop and along the way, but it's gone already. I am using now the one for Rode Wireless Go. Yeah, that's the one that I am using now. Here it looks yeah, good. It's small, but I am afraid it is going to lose because I just put it with double adhesive tape. Also, I'm not sure about the sound. The rain has stopped. Actually, there is still a little droplets, and I don't think it is going to be strong. So we are going to the town center. Will they always love you? Where do broken hearts go? Can they find their way home? We are going home now. Do you feel my heartbeat? Yo, we are home. It's already 2:35. Yeah, the rain has just started again. And yeah, I'm just going to edit video while waiting for that rice to be cooked. Okay, this is what we are going to eat. I missed to eat this yesterday because I went to the Chinese restaurant and I eat fried rice in there. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're going home now at 2 o'clock when I finish. Started at 6, and today we are 4 people. I mean, we are 4 chefs in the kitchen during the breakfast, so things are easy to do. Okay, I got the fish and chips. I noticed that there are many people in here. The water is very calm. That's it. We go now. I still have 1 piece of fish, but we're going to eat it along the way. Oh, that's my car. A Jimny. Look at that, there's one big lizard. Yeah, scary still. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, very messy in here. It is already 8:20 and itchy. Yeah, I'm going to organize this later on. Actually, I'm going to organize it now. I will be just playing the music and yeah, organizing these things like this one. This one is I put it here because last night when I pick up this from outside to dry, it's still a little bit wet. So I put it here. Now it's dry.